Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 545. Ethereum over 3K and Bitcoin ready to pop. Now, if you're watching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. You can also follow us if you're on Twitch. Thank you for watching again. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, when the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Link is going to be posted throughout the stream. And it'll also be pinned here in a second. We'll do roll call in a bit. So see who's in the house. See who's in the house, man. Let's check it. Redline Venom, what is up? May, what's up? Madison, thank you for being here. Oh, it's awesome that you, thank you for being here, by the way, and thank you for joining us on Facebook. Go Bitcoin Ethereum. I know, Bitcoin Ethereum's doing really good. Trampus, what is up? Calvin, yes, it's good. Redline Venom. And Cody, yo, what is up, guys? Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here, everyone. We're about to get started here on this show. Let's get this rolling, right? Shanna, thank you for being here. Happy Ethereum Day. I know, it is a milestone for Ethereum to be where we're at. So, the lights are there in the background. They're just a little bit chill. That's fine. Let's keep rolling. Gabriel Morales, wealth creators. Yes, wealth creators, man. So, what is happening, man? What is happening? All right. Isn't it the weekend is over? Yeah. Happy Ethereum Day, man. Let's look at market cap. What is market cap doing, man? It did go down yesterday, which again wasn't necessarily a bad thing. 1.53% to downside. Still closed at 2.16 trillion right now, going up and hitting well above the 2.2 2.205 trillion mark that we have. We're 2.208, so we are going to go higher. It looks like we're bullish, and we're bullish engulfing the previous day. That is fine. I'm not seeing anything bearish here yet. Again, I want to wait. I'm going to have to right now say I want to wait for this to close, because we are technically going slightly higher. We're going to be going lower and lower, but I want to wait for this to close on the daily before I actually call for any kind of divergence. But it is very, very good for crypto, right? Again, Bitcoin still losing dominance at 49.17%. I can tell because the Bitcoin is sitting at $1.08 trillion, and alts without Bitcoin are sitting at a total of $1.12 trillion, right? So again, very good. Market going up. Bitcoin dominance 49.16. It's gaining a little bit today. I mean, that's tomorrow already, but Monday. But yesterday or Sunday, technically today, we did go down 0.60%. Not too bad. Bitcoin futures, where are they at, man? Was this April the 30th? Yes. Is this today? Yes. Look at what happened. Remember, we talked about this yesterday, right? We talked about this yesterday. We said Bitcoin might pull back throughout the day to where it either closes a gap or it leaves a very small gap open to where it just touches back real quick and then bursts up, right? Remember 1017? Yeah, dude. XRP to the moon, ADA. Yeah, we're gonna check them out, dude. May the second officially Ethereum day. Yes, it is being officially Ethereum day right now. So, what are we looking at here, right? What are we looking at here? This is what we talked about yesterday, and I did talk about this because someone even said you cannot close gaps in the weekend. I said, yeah, that's fine. I know we cannot close gaps in the weekend. All I'm saying is the price might move down so that where we're open, we're closer, to being here. Because, Bitcoin was around here already, like 58,000, right? We've seen that level, and then it dropped to 57,000. And I was really hoping that we're going to either close slightly above this level here, and then just a really quick touch back and then run. We did close slightly below. We opened below that level, right? And we're just running. And now we're going to probably try to close this gap. We are above that 20 moving average. And that is going to be very, very nice. If we manage to hold above that 20, I think it's going to be back on bullish for Bitcoin, right? Redline Venom, instead of crypto, you can check out Litecoin and a quick peek at Litecoin to Bitcoin in the daily. I thought we had Golden Cross. Joshua, good eve. Yes. Redline Venom. Yeah, I can check out Litecoin whenever we get to it, right? I mean, it is there on the list, so we will do it. Let's go to corn, man. What's happening with the Bitcoin? I think I don't want to go to the Bitcoin first. We just look at dominance, though, so I have to go there. I really want to go to Ethereum, though. Bitcoin dominant and Bitcoin. What is happening? It's sitting at $58,012. Again, it's moving back up. It is starting to undo whatever losses we had the prior day, and it's bullish engulfing. Again, we might see a retest of 59,945. Again, that wouldn't be completely weird. And that is fine, man. That is fine for the Bitcoin. Again, zooming out, zooming in, trying to find something here. This divergence is still tracking, right? We haven't really shaken it off. It's all good. We're still in 54.93 again. I'm not going to shift this. It's still there. Let's go on to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we're still lower, right? High to low, positive, negative, high to low. There's nothing bearish. And we did go down, hit that 20, and popped upon that bearish divergence. If you remember, that was a move we were looking for, right? Bitcoin potentially hitting that 20, trying to find support. And then we said we could even still try to drop to that support line in blue. We didn't trigger the support line, which is fine. The 20 is acting as support. It is bullish. It's good. Bitcoin created something far bigger than digital money. It created a world-changing crypto technology that likely will last. Chance to get in early on a digital. Yeah, Gabriel, yes, I agree. It is likely that we are early, and we're starting to move on to the next phase of adoption, I guess, right? Again, there's nothing bearish. It's good. It's bought at 61.64. Nothing else that is bullish. Did we create something bullish, dude? I'm gonna have to zoom in. No, nothing here. Nothing here. We're just finding that support. We are going bullish right now. I like it. I hope we stay bullish. And we're breaking this line. Remember, guys, I told you we want to break above this line. We had it yesterday. I drew it. I told you guys we want to break above that line. Bitcoin going down. Why did we go down? We had the bearish divergence. Here, we created that strong bullish, that hidden bullish. We didn't know what we were getting. I'm going to have to zoom in here to figure out what we end up making, because we did manage to pull back down, and as you can tell here, we are going in. So this line that I had going longer than needed no longer placed there. We just created that strong bullish, that hidden divergence line just goes back to here. It got us a move to a 20, which was fine. And then we created strong bullish divergence with that potential fraction to the upside. It finally triggered, right? We did manage to go slightly lower still, or maybe sideways. It's all good. Not really worried about that. We did go lower here, and we could still say that on this last bit here, we still created some strong bullish divergence, and that is pretty good for Bitcoin, right? Again, we knew yesterday that we might move up a little bit. We even went to the half hour to see if we're going to find that support on Bitcoin. And on the half hour, we were also getting some bullishness, remember? Like, look, we'll go to the half hour just so you can check it. We're here last night. We said, look, bullish divergence, right? We want to break this line, and I even drew this line and just, extend it. There we go. Broke it, acting as support and pushing up. Great. We had the bullish divergence. We still created more bullish divergence to here. And that's it, right? That happened in the next couple of hours. That happened by, 4:30 in the morning. And that is good. I mean, we were looking at this yesterday. We knew it was a possibility. We knew there was potential fraction to the upside. Bitcoin is starting to move up, which is good. Bought here on the half hour. Overbought at 70.14. So let's go back to the 1 hour chart and see what is happening there. Dapper Romeo, what is up, dude? Ooh, dude, not bad. I like what Bitcoin is doing. It's just bought at 63.28. It's good. It's bullish. It's beautiful, man. Let's move on to Ethereum. Ethereum's doing great. Pulling back a bit. That is fine. I'm not seeing anything bearish yet. Ethereum, where's Ethereum at, man? New all-time highs. New all-time highs for Ethereum. Look at this. Yesterday, we did manage to wick slightly higher still, and then today, of course, new all-time high. We're going to trigger that. So we got 3,028.07. We are on the 3Ks, man. There we go. New all-time high for Ethereum. There it is. And we're still seeing above 3,000. I thought we were going to face more resistance here. And I thought we were going to hit it and reject. We still haven't closed the daily. I do hope we manage to close today above that 3K. That's going to be key for Ethereum if it holds that 3K, right? Again, we still have, we no longer have this divergence. We're definitely going higher. That's beautiful. We just got rid of this bearish divergence. And that's nice, right? That's awesome when we get rid of divergence. It's just overbought at 76.01. Very nice. It's very nice. You push through 3K. I like it. Knife through body. Yeah, it's still not out of the woods though, right? Needs to close the day. 4 hour candle is the first 4 hour candle above 3K also. So we got to close at least the 4 hour candle or the 1 hour candle above 3K. The new one just to get confirmation. But look at what we're starting to build here, right? Again, we're starting to get more divergence to build up, right? And we have not been able to get that divergence to trigger. I do believe Ethereum could go on a bullish trend just because it broke 3K. But again, just remember, we're at psychological resistance. We might get pulled back. Just because we got over it does not mean it's, done. And we can still have to close above that area. And again, some MACD and the RSI, we're starting to have strong bearish divergence also, right? It's awesome. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for Ethereum. Again, look at this. Very, very nice. Hidden bullish divergence. We still have it. We're looking for that action upside here. Drop below 20, still created it. Strong bearish divergence. Got negated by the hidden bullish. That's showing us that we're bullish enough. Now we're pumping higher. But on this move, again, more strong bearish divergence. Oh no, how the mighty have fallen. And if you remember, that was part of the moves that we were looking for yesterday. Remember, we said Ethereum could get to 3K. Moving higher would definitely see us go slightly higher here. And then here would also be coming lower, right? And be creating that bearish divergence strong, right? So we knew it was a possibility for this to happen. So just because, we created, we hit 3K again, we're not out of the woods. We have strong bearish divergence that could try to break us down, make us go to that 20 moving average at 2,845. It's not a big drop, but it'll get it outside 3K level. We do want to close at that 3K level. And I do believe that the drop from here to that 20 moving average is not going to be enough to create us some hidden bullish divergence, right? So let's see, man. Erdex, Ethereum got hanging to his. Yes, Rex, what is up? Thanks for being here. Anthony, yo. Double V, what is up? That was a crazy fake out on Bitcoin. Yeah, dude. It did go down a bit though, right? I mean, you could have sold them buy back lower. Royal Gamers, what's up, bro? Thanks for being here. Again, if you guys like what we do, hit the like button and sub, right? Denied. What are you talking about? What is denied? Thiago, what do you think about VT? I'm not sure. We haven't looked at VT. No one's requested it yet. If you want to request an asset, you got to go add the state of crypto. And then the asset that you want me to look at, right? It goes right here below when I talk. It shows right there, right? Look, it goes TA, add the set of crypto, and then the asset. And with that, I know what to look for, right? Viewer count is bullish. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at viewer count. We're at 33. It's okay. I think that's what we're at yesterday. That's good. Yo, Dennis, thank you very much for the super chat.
Take a look at BCH, please.
Yes, brother, man. I can't take a look at BCH. I'll do it right after Ethereum, right? Because you gave me an awesome donation.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome, Dennis. Thank you very much for that. So I'll put it here on the list, man. I'm not sure. We haven't done Doge. No one's requested it. How's Link? I'm not sure, dude. We haven't looked at... I haven't been looking at the market, man. I was in at the home all day. I just came home and started the stream. So I'm not sure how Link. Can you do T on ADA? Yeah, if you got instead of crypto ADA, I'll put ADA on the list for sure. That's how we. Yeah. Chromia, sure, man. CHR. So I'm updating the list real quick, guys. Yep. All right, so let's finish Ethereum again. Bearish divergence, kind of put some pressure on that price. We're starting to move down a bit. Bought at 68.36. We didn't even get overbought. We just reached a high of 69.74. This could be a fake out, right? It could be, you know, some slight resistance. 3K could hold support maybe and then bounce back up. Again, Ethereum doing beautifully, man. I'm not worried about it. I haven't heard of Solve yet. Are you requesting Solve or are you asking me if I have heard of Solve? Shanna, thank you very much for asking. Sure, true. Yeah, cheese. All right. Sure. I just call it cheese. I know it's Chili's, right? I just call it cheese because that's the abbreviation. That's how I remember what to look for. All right. So Charizard, which is Chromium, and True. That one's easy. And then cheese. Here we go. Right on, right. We're boss fams, yes. Well, on vacation, yeah. What's your take on what's going on with crypto today? We're pumping, or we're gonna pull back. Vladimir King, Kim, I think it's too early. It's yet to tell, right? Gotta get back into streams. Yeah, PM him, I guess, right? I'm not sure how to ping him, but you know. Vladimir Kim. Yeah, dude, I mean, it's too early to tell. It looks like we want to go bullish, right? It looks like the market wants to be bullish. It is Monday. Sometimes Mondays tend to be red, but, you know, I do believe Bitcoin, it is breaking about certain areas that it might put in a bull trend. Again, on Ethereum, I wish we had some of the pattern that we were looking for. I mean, I think High Car Jesus is probably mad that, you know, Ethereum was going higher. He was so sure yesterday that, you know, Ethereum was going to crash yesterday. And we haven't yet. H1, ball new band, and XRP is very tight. You know, where we're going. It's annoying. All right. Yeah, again, if you need a request, you know how to go through it. I've already shared the format. He's always bearish, man. I never seen him be bullish. He's always bearish. He's always saying the market's going to crash. Ethereum's going to tank. Ethereum down, Bitcoin down. He's always looking at the downs to set up his trades. It's just weird. He was also in Tom's. Oh, wow. Yeah. Red line. Yep. Right on. Let's keep rolling, man. Again, if you haven't done it yet, you should subscribe to this channel. We're awesome, and we have really, really great content. On that note, let's go check out. He kept getting timed out. Yeah. I mean, I don't time out people, but unless they really rude, right? I mean, if he was just talking, he's requesting. I get it. He's worried about something. It's fine. As long as he's respectful, it's all good. If he's just disrespectful, yeah, I think that's the only way you earn timeouts here, by being disrespectful. So Bitcoin Cash, man, Bitcoin Cash for awesome, buddy. Dennis S. Tiago, did you see Bill Maher talking about? No, I didn't. I haven't watched TV all day. I don't watch TV. I haven't seen anything on Twitter. I haven't even looked at my phone most of the time today, and I just been. I was out of the house. So, I mean, I was confident that Ethereum was going to hit 3K either tomorrow or, I mean, today. So I did say tomorrow, right? So I was referring to, you know, I did say Sunday or Monday, or, you know, it was yesterday. So I said tomorrow or Monday, we're going to get to 3K. It's technically Monday opening, right? It's still Sunday, but Monday candle is the one that's getting us to 3K. So I was really, really, you know, confident that Ethereum was going to get to that 3K level. So I wasn't really, really worried. Now, right now, I would say most of my bulk holding is in Ethereum. So I'm happy about that. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. Let's do this, dude. Again, last thing we had was the bullish divergence hidden. Action to the upside, moving up. That's great. High to low, positive. Negative, high to low, neutral. Sorry, bought at 63.32. I'm trying to gauge where we're at. It looks like we're floating above that 50% line and heading for that 618. And I think that's where I am with our fibs. I do have other fibs that are clashing down here. That's why I was a little bit weirded out to where we're at here. And I think that's where we're at. Anyways, let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we had that bearish divergence. All it's done is move us down a little bit. We tested that 20. We're rejecting it. So again, just like Bitcoin, right? We went to that 20. We're bouncing there. It's nice. I think even if I drew a support line here, we're just hitting it again, right? Look, hit, and very close to hitting here, right? I mean, if we pinpoint it to where this hits that center point there, we might be hitting up here as well. And I'm just going to do that, right? Look, nice hit there in the middle and hitting here also. So again, this support is holding. Here we had support at the 20 moving average, and you know, our support line, which is very nice. XRP 380 soon, maybe, man. I mean, I'm not against it. I haven't seen XRP. I'm not sure where it's at. No one's requested it formally. Again, if you need a request, go add this to the crypto and the asset, and I'll definitely check it out. Anthony Carr, can you chart a link? Yeah, if you go add this to the crypto link, I will. I was on YouTube before since late January. Nice. Vladimir, I haven't looked at Bitcoin ABCD connection, man. Coin tag. What? Come on. Trampas. Thank you very much for that, man. It's awesome. Thank you for the kind donation. Legendary Trampas. That is awesome. Thank you very much. Crispy, yo, what's up? Yeah. Anyways, high to low, and high to low. Spot at 62.20. Again, I'm not seeing anything bearish right now. We can say we even had hidden bullish, and I would be happy by acknowledging that hidden bullish. And let's go here, make it yellow, so we know it's going to show here. Keep this one here on the 4-hour, and I'm also going to have to adjust this one here on the 4-hour, which is going to make the next line I draw back to blue, which really sucks because I really wish they just stayed the color I choose. But there we go. Again, we had the hidden bullish, and it's helping us to pump. We had it as support, double support, so very, very nice. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Andrew, what is up? What is up, brother? Thank you for being here. So on the 1-hour chart, we had a chance to go up right on that hidden bullish divergence since last time we looked at this, and that was yesterday. Oh no, 2 days ago, I guess. I'm not sure when we looked at this. It says May the 1st, 9 a.m. So for some reason, because we weren't live here, or if we were live, we didn't come back and round off to it. Bitcoin dumped and moved the market with it, and in that move we created some strong bullish divergence against the against the MACD here, right? So again, from here, with that action, the upside is starting to pump, and that is great. High to low, positive, high to low. Nothing here that is bearish, and we are bought at 60.21. So again, right now we're looking for actually the upside here on Bitcoin Cash. As far as patterns are concerned, I'm not seeing anything else that really makes me worried about, right? Like, I'm not seeing any other pattern. Back here, we could argue at some point in time we had a double bottom. I mean, it's not going to do us any good because it's already played out, and we're looking at it when it was developing. So right now, all we can look at is what's happening now. And again, I'm not seeing anything bearish or any bad pattern here. XTZ or Shiv, sure, man. Let's keep rolling, man. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the button, sub. We have a lot of people watching, not enough likes. Yesterday, we did crush it. We did have more likes than we had people watching. That was amazing. Amazing, dudes, I tell you. Thank you very much, Dennis. Dude, I hope you liked the analysis. That's what I'm looking at. Again, on that bullish divergence, we did break some bearish trend line that would have been like this. Again, breaking it, finally getting above it. Again, we're going on a small term bull trend, and that could certainly try to get us to go above this previous high at 1,030, right? 1,030.87, I guess we could say. Wow, that candle looks weird. Why? All right, yeah, I found it. Yeah, 1,030.87. That's where we should be looking for, right? That's it for Bitcoin Cash. Let's go to the Binance, man. What is happening with Binance? Tezos and Shiv, right? Shiba Inu coin, or whatever that is. Joe Gross is in the house. 5 belt, I'm always late. What is up? Ethereum over 3K, that's what's up, dude. Hey, Martin, can you please do one to tether? Yeah, sure, man. Just because you asked nicely, but you should add the set of crypto, right? That's how you ping the message. And then I notice it here, man. One. Joe, thank you very much for the kind cheers. Really appreciate it. Legendary, Joe. That is amazing. Let's get one. Cody, sure. Putting that one on the list as well before we move on, right? Wow, a lot of people requesting a lot of projects. That's awesome. Fire knows how to request. I know he's done it before. He's doing it good. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go to Binance. Binance at $620.37. Oh my goodness. What? Why am I getting these weird now? There we go. For some reason, I'm getting really weird data now on the Bollinger Bands, right? Am I on log scale? Oh, I'm on log scale. That's why it looks all weird. Here we go. Let's get out of log scale. Let's zoom in. There it is. See, now I can zoom out and it's not really doing that damage there. Anyways, bearish divergence, actually downside. It moves down a bit. Not too much though. Just to retest that previous 100% high. Now we're trying to move back up. And again, we have our all-time high up here at $644. We know this is a bad wick. It has bad data. We looked at it in the 4-hour. We don't have anything else up there. Very nice. Neutral. Sorry, bought at 67.89. That's it. Nothing bearish. Oh, no, sorry. Yeah, strong bearish still. What did I said? Nothing bearish. Strong bearish. That just tracks onto there. This keeps on tracking here, and this keeps on tracking here. So strong bearish divergence for potential action at downside. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we had the bearish divergence move down, hit that 20 and that previous 100% high, reversing high to low, high to low, and high to low. Besides that bearish divergence, we don't have anything else. Low to high, negative momentum to less negative momentum, and a low here on the RSI to a higher point. Bought at 61.18. Again, nothing that is bearish or bullish for that matter. We're just holding on to that 20 for dear life. That's it. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. OGs know how to OG. I know. We had the hidden divergence. It did pop us to hit that 20 and burst down. And we're still higher than the previous low. So this just really tracks onto there. This tracks onto there, and again on the 1-hour chart, we're looking for that hidden divergence, which we did get. It started to get us back up here on that small rally, high to low, low to high, and high to low. So against the the MACD, the first thing that we created was hidden divergence, right? Hidden bearish. And that would imply that we were looking for action downside. We did get it, right? We did move down. We didn't even track that one onto there. And then right now what we're doing is strong bearish divergence on this very, very last bit with this move here, right? It's going low to high. Sorry, before I do this, let me just make sure I'm on the 1 hour. I am. Great. And positive to less positive momentum, right? With that strong bearish divergence, potential for action downside, we're starting to move down and we're starting to go for that 20 moving average, right? Again, nothing crazy with Binance. It's doing okay, right? It's fine. It's just, it's very close to its all-time highs. You shouldn't be worrying about it too much. Particularly if you bought in early. If you're just buying in right now, you're about the top, you're probably worried about it, but, it should be fine. Facts, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Let's go check out the Litecoin. Dude, what is up with Litecoin? Litecoin, hidden bullish divergence, action to upside, popping up, high to low, high to low, and high to low. There's nothing bearish right now, and that's fine. What happened? We did break down. We held support. We did say that we might get that because there was some bearish divergence on short time scales at 268.94. Remember we said we might find support there? We did. Awesome. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Look, the bearish divergence. Where did it get us to? Yeah, that area, right? Bitcoin broke us down. Next candle got us back above. And look at how we're holding support there. It's beautiful. Now we're trying to move back up from there. So it's fine. Again, not really worried about this, right? Low to high, negative, more negative. Some hidden bullish divergence starting to develop now. And could be part of the reason that we're tracking this support, right? Again, very, very nice for Litecoin. And if Bitcoin keeps on pumping, Litecoin might follow along. Remember, Litecoin tends to trend with Bitcoin, right? Or track with Bitcoin. Neutral 58.46. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Ethereum looks a lot better with a 3. I know. It looks beautiful. Imagine when it gets to a 4. That's going to be magical. Again, we had the bearish divergence. We did call for the move down. That is great. We got it. Held support. We were meant to find it. It's awesome, right? I mean, what could be better than finding support where we're expecting to get it? Nothing, right? It just validates our TA. It validates our areas of support and tells us that, yes, we do have good supports charted and that we shouldn't really panic. Hello. Neutral at 59.05. Again, there's that hidden bearish divergence. Got to start putting some pressure on the price. It might get it to go down to that 20 moving average, 270.33 right now, to try to find support. Again, that's what I would be expecting to see with Litecoin with this hidden divergence. Unless Bitcoin keeps on pumping, we might still see Litecoin pump more. If Litecoin is green, I'm just going to check. Bitcoin should be green. Yep, it's green. It's great. Again, nothing bearish right now. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Bought at 66.09, doing very nice. It did reset its oscillators, and that's what we wanted to get. 4 hour chart for Bitcoin again, also looking really good, right? Very, very close to its previous high. High to low, high to low, and high to low. There's nothing bearish. And on the daily, there's nothing bearish. Well, we do have this hidden bearish, which got us to move down and hit that 20 and bounce. But, it's doing really good. I mean, there's really no denying it. Bitcoin is performing beautifully right now. Let's go to Ethereum now. Ski to Tether? Sure. Doesn't Dutch, is it a bubble? It could be. I mean, we know why Doge is pumping, right? So, I mean, it's pumping because Elon's tweeting about it. Elon started to hype it. So, anything that goes up like that, it's hard to sustain sometimes, right? I mean, it is trying to pump again. It's all good. We know there's going to be SNL Elon next week or next Saturday. We know that we might pump on, someone or people thinking that, whatever Elon says is going to be gospel and it's going to pump more. ADA, sure. Let's put ADA on that list. Let's keep rolling, man. Let's keep on looking at this. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like. It's free. Hitting that like bell is awesome. It tells the algorithm that you like what we do. Monteras in the house. Thanks for being here, man.
What's up?
Ethereum doing awesome, dude. $3,022. Still getting very close to its all-time high. Might try to burst through it again. Overbought, that's fine. Again, I'm not really worried about what's happening with Ethereum here on the daily. We got rid of whatever bearish divergence we had. Is really good on the 4 hour. Again, yeah, we said that we're starting to develop this bearish divergence, and again, it needs to pump a little bit more for us to get rid of it here against the MACD, right? Against RSI, it's fine. So as well, we might get rid of it quickly. And here again on the 1 hour, also any small pump, it's going to try to get rid of this. This is 9.17. We're sitting at 6.16. So again, rising more, it's going to help it. Again, let's see if we can get up there, man. Trash for 10. Thank you very much for the follow, man.
Thank you very much.
Let's keep rolling. Let's keep checking this out, man. What are we doing here? That's it, dude. That is it. There's bearish divergence. Possibility for action downside. We talked about being at a psychological resistance right now. 3,000. We've never been on this level before. We know where we could go, right? We have targets to the upside on Ethereum. We've called them plenty of times. We got above that, 1618 a couple days ago. Now we're getting ready to go for that 2618. Let's go at 3,310. And then the 3618 is going to be at 3,790. And I did this math the other day, and I'll show it to you again. Bitcoin all-time high was 20,000. Right now it's sitting at 58,000, right? I'm just going to round it off. So if we divide that by 20,000, that was its all-time high, we're going to get 2.9. So almost a factor of 3, right? Ethereum's all-time high was 1,400. So let's just times that 1,400 to see where Ethereum should be at. Ethereum should be at around $4,060, right? If it is to rise in the way that Bitcoin has risen since Bitcoin passed its all-time high. So again, we're looking for a potential Ethereum of $4,060 for it to be equivalent to where Bitcoin's at right now, right? So they would maintain that same value that they had, at their all-time highs, from all-time high to all-time high. So Ethereum does have a lot of way to go, and it could be very, very beneficial for Ethereum if it starts to go on bullish here. Burst through at 3,300, burst through at 3,700. And look at where the 4,618 is at, right? 4,270. Very nice. We could run this if Bitcoin wants to go on full bullish. If Ethereum wants to go on full bullish, Bitcoin might pump more, right? Bitcoin might get over 60K. Bitcoin might get over, 65K, and that will just keep on rising that target for Ethereum, and that is good, man. We want to see Ethereum succeed. I want to see Ethereum succeed. So let's hope it can keep on running, right? Let's go to RSR. .89. Right. So again, bearish divergence, action downside. That is fine. We didn't have anything bullish. Following Bitcoin a little bit, 2 red candles. Now going green. Not strong enough as the previous one though, but getting above that 20. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Neutral 52.79. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, bearish divergence. Moving down a bit. Again, here also and here also. Neutral at 52.44. Low to high and negative, more negative. With that, we have some hidden bullish divergence, and with that, we have that possibility for action to the upside. Dude, awesome. More of that salty lime aid, I guess. Mineral club soda limeade. It's good. It's addictive. It's a lot of sodium though, but it's addictive. It's a good sugar replacement, I guess. Lower. That's fine. I'm going to let it go here against the RSI. Neutral 51.53. But again, hidden bullish divergence. Trying to get that action to the upside. And we are hitting that 20 right now. Facing some resistance. That it's okay. Again, let's see if we can get above that 20 and keep on running with RSR. Not really crazy for it right now. On the 1-hour chart, high to low. Oh, dude. High to low and high to low. Nothing here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Even from back here, we already checked. We did. With this drop, we created some hidden bullish. Awesome. That's it. I mean, we're just recovering from that. Trying to go higher. Not really doing a lot, right? It's not going crazy. Touch it. Touch it. Yes, touch the like. All you have to do is your hand has to swiftly move across. Hit that small like. And you'll make me extremely happy. I'll be, doing awesome stuff. RSI at 53.06. Again, very, very nice. Neutral. It's waiting, dude. It's just wait. I'm waiting for this to just fire off, right? It's just building that, consolidation. Boomer! I'm still holding to my RSR. 1 fat million of them. Oh, dude, that's pretty good. Let's keep rolling, man. I think this day we have more viewers on. We have 40 concurrent viewers. That's awesome. Yeah, we're starting to pick up steam again, I guess. Let's go RSR. That is it. Now on to DVT. Again, I'm moving through the list, right? Again, guys, if you need a coin, again, you know the format. DVT at 2.038, not really performing at its best. Let's get this on here, dark mode. Let's see what we're doing. I mean, what do you think about a uni? I'm not sure. Uni's not even on my radar, man. A lot of people like it. It's okay. It's its own DEX. It does have a lot of weight behind it. So I'm not sure, bro. It's I would have to analyze it. You need to request it for me to look at it, but without looking at it, I cannot tell you what I think about it because I just don't have it. Not even in the back of my head, dude. It's like I don't think about uni any day. First of all, because I don't hold any, but second of all, because I don't trade it. That's it. Had a low to high. All right, a low to high. With that, we're creating hidden bearish divergence. Right, again, high to low. And low to high, and low to high. I'm not gonna draw it here. I still have to lead them every time. So for me, it's just doing the same thing, right? So that's it for this in the 1 hour. There's that bearish divergence moving us down a bit. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High to low, and high to low. Low, lower low, negative, less negative, right? With that, we have some strong bullish divergence here against the MACD. And we should be looking for some action to the upside. Again, it hasn't really dropped that much, but Bitcoin pumping up, it's helping it kind of sustain this 3.0, this 3.5 sat area again, right? Let's go to the daily. Low to high, flatlining here and low to high. I'm not seeing anything here that is bullish or bearish. That's it for DVT. I really wish it was doing much better. It isn't, unfortunately. Let's go and check out a link. Again, I'm going through what you guys request, right? So, Gradle team coupled Uniswap clone together. Right. Boomer. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, don't worry about it, man. It's all good. Link. Oh, dude, I want to move that. Link, here we go. I still have toilet paper stock from the Great Shortish. I'm kidding, dude. I didn't even buy that many. High, negative, more negative. High, low, high to low, and high to low. There's nothing bearish. We just have this hidden bullish. We're rallying with it. We hit that 1618. We rejected it yesterday, along with Bitcoin and the rest of the movements from the crypto market, but sitting nice at $40.24. We are, we're just bought. It's at 59.33. I'm not seeing anything here on the daily that really, makes me worry about it. We could say this is a potential double top, right? It is a large percentage from one top to the other, I guess, but yeah. 2.78%. Yeah, we could say this is a potential double top forming. I really want to wait for this to go back up. Maybe see with Bitcoin, But again, we could just start saying that we're maybe making a potential double top here. Not calling it that yet, right? I haven't breaking any confirmation, done anything like that. Wave 3. Oh, geez. There's going to be a third wave of this. Come on. Sell toilet paper. Buy crypto. Kidding. Low to high. We're looking for some divergence here. We didn't get that play to the downside, right? We're still tracking to this one here. This one, right? That's strong bearish divergence. But this one against the MACD, we just against the RSI, we just got rid of it completely. That's fine. Guys who XRP holders, don't look at XRP chart. We're doing perfect flat in 1 hour chart swing. Yeah, dude, you're getting stagnation prior to movement. That's fine. I'm just not holding any XRP right now. If you ask me, I've sold my XRP when the news hit. I haven't bought it back. I probably should have. I'm waiting for something to clear out of the SEC lawsuit. I think once we get a little bit more clarity, we might get a stronger pump. I don't think I'm still out of luck. Yeah, I could have bought more, but whatever, man. It's still a high risk for my taste, particularly when them having a lawsuit and not having any clarity out there. Ripple might win it. I just don't want to be, it might, let's say whatever XRP has pumped, I've made up for more in other cryptos than if I would have kept on holding to that. Anyways, we are neutral. Bought, at 60.47. Again, bearish divergence still there. Potential fraction downside. Moving down, we haven't quite hit that 20. That would be our primary target. That 20 right now, 38.91. Rising with Bitcoin right now. Waiting for it to do something. That's it, dude. Again, hidden bullish. We could argue that we have some hidden bullish. For me to hear. Let's get this here on the 4-hour chart. And let's go from negative to more negative, right? That's it. Neutral. Again, bought at 60.54. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, man. On Link, does it look like an inverse head and shoulders in the 15-minute? I'm not sure. I rarely go to the 15-minute. When you go that low, it tells me that you're desperate to find something, right? We can look at it, but we'll see. John, ¿qué pasa? See you in Jalisco. Go Bitcoin. Let the bulls run. I feel Polka Dot event coming May 28th. I'm not sure, dude. I haven't kept up with the Polka Dot event. I'll probably have to do some research on it. Low to high, negative, and low to high, dude. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Low, high, negative, more negative. All right, some hidden bullish divergence for potential action upside. Send me information on the Discord, man. I would gladly check it out, and then I can let you know a better answer, because I know what I'm telling you probably doesn't satisfy your questioning as to what I think about that event. I just cannot think about anything that I haven't read yet, so. Again, hidden bullish, action to the upside or sideways motion. We're going for that sideways motion. That's fine. Getting above that 20. Using that support right now. So we might try to get a bounce and hit that 1618 again here. And it should be okay. Again, neutral 55.52, man. Haven't looked at Parrot Chain, dude. Thank you, Jade Smith, for asking. Yeah. We'll see, man. Link doing okay at 40.17. Not worried about it yet. There's nothing bearish here that makes me worry about it. Again, the thing I'm looking at is this bullishness and seeing how it could get us up here. Maybe even try to break that area again, right? That's what I'm looking at for in, Link. Someone said, go look at Charizard. I said, it's not Charizard, man. It's Chromium, but, let's do Charizard coin. On the daily, for some reason I got smaller fibs here. Maybe in the shorter time scales it makes no sense here on the daily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it from the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and the ranges. And now we're just going to focus where it's supposed to be, right? It's going to clear the chart up a little bit. Bearish divergence, action to downside. We did move down again, stagnating a little bit right now. Not really moving slightly. We're moving slightly above the previous price. We could say that's fine. We still have that bearish divergence, and we are bought at 61.68. Again, not a lot, man. Super. Is that a coin, Boomer? Or are you just telling me that's super cool what I'm doing here? I think you're requesting a coin. I'm just gonna write super here. Let's roll. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, right? Some hidden divergence might move the price of Charizard down. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, we have the cup and handle. We didn't drop that dip. I really wanted for this to drop deeper, because the deeper it dropped, the larger fib goals get. And look at this. Just go into here. It's really going to drop over 1618, a very small amount. That'll be our primary target for exit right now, right? Again, it really drops it. The secondary target, it's still the same. It doesn't change because we're looking at percentage increase after pattern completion. We got to break this level for us to complete this pattern, and it would get us to go to that 3618 almost at 0.63 cents. That's the 41% rally from this level to here. That's a move we should be looking at. Ethereum going up. I'm gonna go check it in a second, Vlad. Thank you very much for letting me know. Let's get that to here again. Very nice for Charizard. It's still performing. It's still within the cup and handle. Can it drop to this level maybe and surprise us? Yes. I'm not ruling it out. It's still doing good, right? Not that bad, man. Not that bad. You're looking to get out before $1. It's fine. Your exit is your exit, bro. It's good that you have a clear exit and where you want to be at. So again, still waiting for this to play, right? Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Again, we started to get a lot of chop here. Doesn't look as pretty. High to low, high to low, and high to low. A lot here we could go with. Hidden bullish divergence that we're tracking. Still tracks to there. That also help us rally. Nothing bearish. right? And nothing else that is bullish here. So again, we're just consolidating this level before we try to move again. Hopefully to the upside. We'll see, right? Neutral at 54.07. Like I said, that rally here is not going to be that big. Once we break this level, that first exit is around 9.57%. It's peanuts, right? It's still good. It's like 10% in a day. It's good, but probably not what you're looking for. Let's go to True. Sorry, no, let's go to Ethereum first, because it's a pumping, man. Is it? Yeah, it's going up a bit. It's making new all-time highs. New all-time highs for Ethereum. What? It is there, man. Let's go now to True. Again, we already checked it out, right? We know there's some kind of bearish divergence there that could try to move us down. Not really worried about it. Like I said, Ethereum's really bullish. Yesterday I said that, today or tomorrow we're going to get T3K. It is Monday for the market, right? So I was right on both accounts. So today's Sunday, we did get to 3K, and then I was hoping for Monday, but today is Monday market opening, and it's still really good. Hype in the chat, hype everywhere, man. Ethereum's doing beautiful. Let's go True, man. The Truman Show. Oh, we never looked at True. That's gonna be interesting. I guess we're gonna go with Binance. No one requested an exchange, so. Let's get the True daily stuff here. Ooh, not a lot of history. That's fine. All right. Let's get some bearings first. Let's get some Fibonacci's out here for the daily. Let's go from low to high and figure out where we're at. All right, so we're bouncing. We're doing a retrace at 236. That is fine. Did you do 8 already? You missed it. No, I haven't, dude. 8. It's 1 to last, I guess. So we still have a lot of coins to do. Thanks for asking, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 coins before we get to ADA. Low to high, negative, less negative, lower. All right, some hidden bullish divergence against the RSI. First thing that pops, right? Why are we going up, right? We got to answer that question. It is a magical question that everyone asks themselves. Why is this going up? Is it going to make me rich? Well, the second one we don't know. The first one we can get an answer to. It's going up because we have hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence. That's it. High to low, low to high. Again, now we're starting to create some of that hidden bearish divergence against the MACD. And all that's going to do is just put some pressure on the price, right? That's just going to see us maybe struggle getting above that 382. We might even reject, go to that 50 again before we bounce. We'll see again if the whole market stays on bullish. We might try to see this go up a bit more, but it'll be what it will be. Neutral 59.11. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. You'll be back in a few. Oh, you should just stay and watch, man. Ivan the Shaman, thank you very much. What's up, dude? Ethereum's going good, man. We called it on Ethereum yesterday. We called it on Ethereum, man. Should we start saying that stuff went exactly as predicted, like other people? I'm not sure if that's like what gets viewership here. Watching your Ethereum portfolio explode, that's awesome. Isn't that the greatest feeling in the world when you watch your portfolio be like, super high compared to when you got it? Usual at 66.63. Let's say my Ethereum portfolio kind of almost doubled, I guess we could say, or something like that. At least the ones from donations almost doubled, so that's pretty good. It's pretty legit. Bear market? Where's the bear market? 300,000 Ethereum by tomorrow, exactly as predicted. Yeah, that's maybe the next title of the next video, right? Feels good, yes. Feels good. Ethereum, Bitcoin done 30 years of work in 3 years. Yeah. Yeah, that is how it goes for a lot of people, right? There's gonna be this is a golden opportunity, right? We have the golden ticket. This was Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and we got the golden tickets, man. All right, we're getting in early. Again, hidden bullish divergence. Getting that bounce happening here on the 1 hour chart for True. Getting above that 382. We had the strong bearish, and it could still come into play and negate higher levels, right? Higher areas of value. So we are below that 20. So our next support would be here at the 382, 42.91. Right now, it's sitting at 43.19. So it's not too far from where we're at, but it's okay. Bloomer, weird. My wife's nowhere in sight. Interesting. Salim, thank you very much for being here. Oh, dude, Salim, that is a very good question. I think we might see something happening with Ethereum. I'm not sure if today or tomorrow, though. It's too early today. We're just breaking over 3K with no psychological resistance. We're trying to go higher. I mean, it's really bullish for Ethereum. Ethereum has been on a strong bull trend. There's no denying that. You don't want to trade against the trend. Could we get pullback? Yeah, I mean, we still haven't determined whether or not we're going to close the daily above 3K. If we lose 3K and we close below 3K, we could be going lower, right? Boomer, your 1 inch is growing? That's awesome. Congrats. What the? I'm going to sandcastle the North Pole. Is that no? I think that's what he wants me to do for the title, or that's what I should say, I guess. That'll be your wedding speech. That's awesome. Let's keep rolling here, man. Neutral 54.17. That is it again. That's it for True. We're looking for some action to the upside. That is fine. Again, strong bearish could still trump hidden bullish, and we could see action to the downside. Right? We might see some consolidation happening here. It wouldn't be weird. You know, not really familiar with this project, but you know, we're on a bull trend. That is fine. We could maybe try to go higher. Still, again, consolidation here, like we did here, wouldn't be weird before we actually move up again. Let's see how this is going to behave, right? That's it for True. Now let's go to Chili's, or as I call it here, Cheese Coin. Yeah, you see it, dude. That's how I remember what to look for, right? It's like Cheese Wheeze, right? We haven't looked at this one in a couple days, man. Use 5th trend extensions? Yeah, use 5 extensions, man. Thank you for asking. Have I checked out Litecoin? Yeah, I already checked Litecoin. Yeah. Here are fibs. Look at that. There are fibs there. Ha 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 ha. Cheeseburger. Nah, I just call it cheese because, you know, CHC. It just makes it easier for me to remember as cheese. I know it's, you know, what is this one? Chili's. But, you know, I just call it cheese. You know, mine is cheese. And that's how I, like, remember what to look for. Oh, lower negative plus negative. So I'm not going to go with anything bullish here. We did have that bearish divergence last time we looked at it. Moving down, final support at 786. Deep retrace, bouncing, hitting that 50% retrace, rejecting, still holding on to that 20. Again, not really seeing anything here out of the ordinary. Neutral 53.58. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. 8 items on the list already. Ibis. We'll just get to it in a bit, right? Let's go here on the... oh, dude. My ear's itchy. Dude, you missed your 3rd point on weaker support. All right, Vladimir, let me finish this and I'll show you, right? All right, bearish divergence. This might be from the 1 hour. It makes no sense where it's at. Floating here, so we'll get rid of that because it makes no sense where it's matching here. So we'll also get rid of that. So again, action to the downside, very nice move down. Trying to pump back up. Again, low, lower, negative, less negative. We did create some bullish divergence back here way back when. We just haven't been looking at it, you know, since you guys stopped requesting it. So if I'm not trading it, I'm not looking at it consistently, right? Bullish divergence going up, that's fine. High to low, nothing here that is weird. Stagnating here short term. There is some bearish divergence. Strong for action to downside. Again, we didn't quite get that strong move down, but we are stagnating a bit, as you can tell here on the price. It's really not going insane, right? It's just going down a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Low to high. Negative momentum to less negative momentum, and low to a higher point on the RSI as well. Neutral at 52.11. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Randy Matthews, thank you very much for being here, man. Am I partnered in Twitch? No, I'm not a partner yet. I need to get 75 people watching consistently. Isha, thank you very much for being here. Should you buy now or wait for dip? You sold Ethereum a few days ago. Ooh, 2,600. Now you're only getting 0.85 for Ethereum at that price. What would you suggest? Dude, Aisha, dude, I wish I could tell you what to do with your money. I can't give you advice here. I do believe Ethereum has potential for some pullback, right? I mean, right now we're still extremely bullish though, right? But I'm not sure where the pullback's going to get us. I'm not sure if we're going to get to 2,600. I think we might pull back maybe 1,800 if we do pull back at all before we rally up again. We have to find new areas of support. We haven't hunted for those. So, yeah, a couple things to be determined, right? There's a couple things we need to check. I might go back to Ethereum in a second, right, and redo that part. Someone asked me if I could do something. Yeah, if you have a request, just go add the state of crypto and then request a coin, right? Now I'll check it out. I'll just put it on the list. I'll add it to the list. Let me see, neutral 53.66. That is it for cheese. Let's go back to Ethereum real quick, see where it's at. So the thing with Ethereum right now is that it has not created a lot of areas for support, right? Again, as you can tell, since we've just been rallying, we could say there might be some kind of support on this level. That's a 2,000 though. So 1,800 is up here. And why am I saying like 1,800 where we might find something? Because look here, man, right? We could draw some kind of line here. Again, I'm not wanting to call this one particular support, but it seems like we got a couple of rejections around the zone. I'm not calling it a particular support because we don't have clear hits and turnarounds on the price. We're just seeing stagnation and a failure to break this level. Like, so here we turn around a little bit, we rejected a bit again, and then we rejected once more before we actually broke above. So we'd be looking to potentially find some support at 2,784. And the primary move down here on a rejection happening from this bearish divergence that we're creating. If it is to trigger, again, the market is extremely bullish. If it is to trigger, it could get us to a 20 moving average. That's at 2,862 right now. That's why I'm not so confident that it might go down. Here on the daily, it's clear of divergence. It's just still pumping. Again, no areas for support here, right? Again, just that close that we had here. Not a lot happening on the daily. It's not looking crazy. Randy, what is up, dude? Oh, he's talking to me. First, use your portfolio balance bot. Change. That's awesome. So let's look here real quick, right? Oh, the music stopped. I know. There we go. Right on. So again, we're getting that rejection near this area. Again, if probably here we could pinpoint it a little bit more. It'll still be a little bit higher, and it'll look a little bit better here for Ethereum, right? Somewhere like there. So I'm looking for some kind of support around that area. Other than that, well, we still have trend line support also, right? That we haven't broken. So our trend line support will be looking like this, right? If we move down, we would need to break this support, right, for us to be able to go on a short-term bear trend. And I'm not seeing that happening right now. Like, I mean, even if we move down, we might be targeting 3K for some kind of support. I don't think we're gonna crash that hard. I mean, we might get pullback. I just don't think we're gonna pull back all the way to 1,600. That is a big drop. We're talking about a 20% drop almost, 14% drop. Sorry. So 15% drop, it's just, I'm not sure, man, right? Randy, that's awesome, dude, with your portfolio, bro. So again, it's a large drop. Can it happen? Yeah, in crypto, we've seen more than 10% drops, right? It wouldn't be out of the ordinary. But we know Bitcoin might go bullish right now. We know Bitcoin might go bullish. Why? Because Bitcoin has to close this huge gap here on the CME that is now trying to move forward to, right? We are above that 20. If we sustain that 20 today, we could really be looking for Bitcoin to make that move to 62K again. That would certainly get Ethereum to pump up, maybe to 3,400s. We might still see more. So I'm not sure, right? Would I buy now for 2,600 or wait? I mean, it's entirely up to you. I cannot tell you what to do, right? I just told you what might happen with the market. I cannot tell you what to do precisely. I'm sorry about that. I really wish I could tell you, but your story is very different to mine. Shannon Linton, thank you very much for the kind donation. Really appreciate that. That's so nice.
Audience.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is amazing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Aisha, the reason I cannot tell you is because my experience right now with Ethereum is so much different to yours. I haven't sold. I'm still holding, right? So my question, right, is would I be adding more at this level to myself, right? I cannot get myself in your mindset because my story is so different to yours. And for me, adding at this level, I mean, how can I put this in a way that makes sense? If you buy right now at 3,000, it goes to 4,000. Would it have been a bad end, right? Or if you buy right now and it drops to 2,600 again, would it have been a bad buy? Again, it's just all dependent on how you look at it, right? And I believe Ethereum right now is still bullish. Again, like I said, we might be getting some kind of pullback happening. I just don't know how strong that pullback is going to be yet, right? We haven't measured because we don't have an all-time high. But if you wanted to get some kind of, supposition thing going on here, we could go look. This is the lowest point, right? That's our high point, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from low to high and consider that to be my local low here. And if we start to retrace, or 236 will be at 26,085. Yeah, we might go there to find support. If we do a deeper retrace from our high, we could be aiming for a 382 or even that 50% over that 618 at 21,000 or 2,100. So 2,130, right? So again, those are the moves that Ethereum could do if this is to be the local top. We just haven't confirmed it because we haven't gotten our drop back to 236. Now, once we start to retrace some, we might be able to do this. And have this exercise work for us, but right now we're just supposing that is the top, and it's not really the top, and we have not confirmation that we might move down from here, right? So again, you're asking me to tell you whether or not it's a get in. I'm not sure. It's entirely up to you and what your risk tolerance is, right? Would you rather just be in right now? If you go down to 2,600, just say screw it. It's going to bounce again. Hold through it. I mean, if you're going to hodl for a bounce back to 3,000 again, or above 3,000. Would it be a bad in right now? I mean, I know you want to get more bang for your buck. You can always buy back more, right? You can buy, you can dollar cost average. You can buy a little bit now, buy more when we go down, and buy more as it keeps going down, right? You can scale into your position, or you buy into your position slowly as the market drops. So you can buy a little bit right now, and if it starts dropping, you can add more. If you just wait for it, if it starts going up, you can also add a little bit, right? And start averaging that position of yours instead of just buying all in one go at 2,600. I'm not sure if you're still here, but thank you for that. You also consider your ROI now, yes. Here's a juggernaut, yes. So fifth trend extension. I just drew one, right? Yeah, so again, fibs, it just depends how you draw them, right? I mean, you got to go from a low point to a high point, but you got to make sure that that low is a valid retrace area, right? So I consider this a local low here right before we start running, because we did get that pullback happening here. So I would consider this my local low, and then tag it to that higher point, right? Again, low to high. I have a lot of fibs here. This chart's gonna be crazy. Let's go to this one. This one's cleaner. Again, we broke this triangle to the upside. We got more than a measure move. Again, right? How would you fib? Again, if you want to go low, high to low, just to get some fibs to where we're at, from this point, high to low, or I'm not pinpointing it precisely, but something like this, you can see where we start retracing and doing a deep retrace, rejection, come back down to a 336, and then really burst through, hit that 1618, rejecting slightly, right? Getting back up above, and now getting above that 2618. Again, I'm just doing this really quickly to show you. You just got to go from high to low. Whether or not you use wicks or bodies is entirely up to you, right? Again, wicks usually account for some volatility in the market. I tend to like to go with bodies. That is where traders settled for the day, particularly in the daily chart. So I don't want to have those highs and lows and those large wicks. I just want to have what's happening there in the market, right? So that's how I would go with this. Hot boxing, thank you very much for being here. Again, and as you can tell, the fibs changed dramatically once I included the fibs, right? So again, sorry, not the fibs, the wicks. This is how you would fib. Again, high to low or low to high. So you want to go high point to low point to get retraces to the upside, right? And get fib extensions to the upside. You want to go low to high to see where you're getting to before you bounce, right? So when you go low to high, it would be looking like this, right? Low to high, and then we retrace. We hit that 786, and then we started retrace back up, right? So that's that. Again, a quick thing on FEPs. Let's keep moving through the analysis. There's a lot of stuff we gotta move through still. XTZ up next. Ethereum still holding 3,000. I'm happy. Let's go with Tesos. I mean, Ethereum above 3,100 would really make me calm down a little bit more, because then we know it's gonna take a lot more for it to get a 3K level. You know, it's gonna be better, man. You just need to get above 3,100, I think, at least in the short term. Aisha, thank you very much for asking. I don't yet. If you need to, you can join us on the Discord. We can discuss something, right? Discord link's going out right now. I am on the Discord consistently. I am working on some educational stuff. I do have a Patreon. I'm not posting a lot of stuff. I just play sometimes on the Discord. It's very cheap. Right now, it's just like a support thing, right? It's like a $5 monthly contribution to help support the stream right now. But I'm not really doing a lot on the Patreon. I'm going to start being more active on Patreon. I have posted someplace on the Discord, but we'll see how that goes, right? Anyways, let's keep rolling here. Tesos. Wow, that's those hard things. Let's keep rolling here to Tesos, right? We look at this chart, I guess, for Tesos. Let's get on the daily. Yes, we're doing okay. Again, going down, finding support at 36, getting above the previous 100% high and trying to climb more. That's awesome. Hidden bullish divergence pumping us up, high to low, high to low, and high to low. Neutral at 53.39. Again, not a lot going on here with Tesos. That is crazy. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What happened there? Oh, yeah. Hotboxing, thank you for being on YouTube also. So you're watching us on 2 platforms. That's amazing, dude. Thank you very much for that. You're going to get double the learning for being on 2 platforms. You can learn on Twitch and YouTube. I'm kidding, by the way. 4-hour chart. Had that bearish divergence. It did move us down, hit that 20, try to find support, reject that 100% high, drop slightly lower, right? Here we created, we're going to have to check if we created something. But that bearish divergence hit and did its job and moved us down. Now, we did pump a little bit more. Let's get rid of this. It's not a resistance line. It is a divergence line. So let's go back to yellow and anchor it on the 4-hour chart. And that way we'll be golden when we get to the 1 hour, right? That's fine. I'll anchor itself to the 4. And high to low. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Thank you very much for watching me on 2 platforms. It just makes me feel it makes me feel double appreciated. 130.15. So, all right, cool. So I'm looking here at the number, right? It's 0.0130 negative, 0.0156 negative. So negative momentum, more negative momentum, right? Slight though, but it's there. And here we're going low to high, right? And with that, we're creating hidden bullish divergence, fraction to the upside, maybe stagnation. That's what's helping us hold on to this 20. And right now with Bitcoin, it's going up at $5.73 right now for Tesos. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Neutral at 58.63. That's fine. That's neutral. So let's go here. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Oh, dude, I haven't looked at the Ethereum, Bitcoin chart. We can look at it, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Trying to find the reason for this move down and potential bounce also. And we do have some bearish divergence, by the way. I just noticed some strong bearish divergence here against the MACD. And, you know, that's what is moving us down, right? I think anything bullish though, right? And if anything, the only thing I'm finding here on Tesla is some hidden bearish divergence right now. I'm not sure if this one's going to be there, man. I'm going to have to zoom in here. Yep, low to high. right? So we have that hidden bearish divergence. It's going to start stagnating the price. It might make it go down a little bit or move sideways. That's what we could expect with that hidden divergence. If we do move down, though, we're going to find support at that 20 moving average, which is going to be at $5.62. It's not really far from where we're at. It's a 10-cent drop. You could probably find support there. And then with that move, we might create some hidden bullish, right, by going low to high, negative or more negative, right? And try to get bounce here on Teslas. But again, not really looking super hot right now. It is an uptrend. Again, it's fine. Not really worried about it short term. Still trying to get above that 20 on the daily. Like I said, it's okay. It's just not super crazy, right? Tesla's been running good. It's a good back test. Yeah, I mean, it's a short-term run here. Longer term, yeah, I guess we could say it's been running with nice, consolidation. Or nice pullbacks happening, right? Nice pullback here, very nice pullback here. So we could be trying to go back up on that new leg. We'll see. I mean, we'll see. It's still too early for Tesla. Still hasn't recovered extremely well here. For some reason, the fibs we have here, I have a feeling that they might no longer play. I'm not sure where I drew them. I think I might have drawn them here. High to low, I guess, somewhere here. Low. So I would have to completely adjust my fibs, right? Because the fibs that we drew back then are no longer valid because of, here they were valid. We did get our move. We did hit that 618. It was nice. But since then, we've got new data happening. And with that new data, we need to account for the fibs and go, okay, so we're going to go from high point here to a new low point to get bearings to where we're at. And we're trying to bounce back up again. High, low. We're trying to get that 50% hit. And we're holding support at 382, which is fine. Again, we have that hidden bullish divergence. Could try to hold that. Again, we need to also get above this 5.92 cent mark, right? Luna took off. Nice. We haven't. I don't even think we have Luna here on the list. Let's go to Shiv. SHIB. Shiv. The Shiba Inu project. You remember, guys, I'm here every night, right? I'm here every night. So you can always catch me here at 9 p.m. Central. 7 then. Definitely 4 10. All right. Bitcoin up we go. Okay, so before I go into SHIB, let's go to check out the corn. He's trying to move up again. We are going to try to close that gap. Look, we're trying to close this gap. Remember, I said that yesterday because even Fax was telling me that you could not close gaps on the weekend, and I said, I know, we cannot close gaps on the weekend, but I'm expecting Bitcoin to move down. Maybe to where it's not that far from here, and we just close whatever small gap we had gonna have at the opening and then run. We didn't. Bitcoin actually moved lower, and that helped us to where there's no gap. We're just trying to move to the upside now, and that's beautiful, man. Ethereum all-time high again. All right, let's go check it. It is doing all-time high. Thank you very much, Shana, for letting me know. Shana and Ethereum at all-time high at 3,046. That is awesome. It is doing really good. I like it. I left use for a month. I didn't leave you. It wasn't my fault. Something happened that didn't allow me for me to be here. It wasn't my decision. And it took me about a month and a half to get it sorted out and fixed. I didn't leave you guys. Trust me. I had to go elsewhere to continue going live. And yeah, I was streaming elsewhere. Well, I wasn't allowed to stream. Yeah, I was streaming elsewhere when I wasn't allowed to be streaming here. So I didn't leave you guys. Trust me. I was, I was always there. You just got to find me. So if you're on the Discord, you're gonna be able to find me because I do post where I'm streaming at. Right, every day I post where I'm streaming at. Jordy, dude, I would need to go back to Ethereum. I'm behind on some coins. Let me go wait for a recap because I just looked at it real quick, and we can look for some resistance. Right, I think there was something around 3,700, 3,400. I can't remember. Thank you for asking, though. Right, good vibes. I know. Thank you for the good vibes. I send you awesome vibes also. Where are my awesome vibes here? I don't have awesome vibes. Oh, all right. Get on Telegram. I am on Telegram. I don't use it, bro, to be honest. I have a Telegram group. I'm just never there. A lot of people have said get on Telegram. I just look. I barely have time to handle the Discord and stream every day, man. So, on Telegram in the short term. All right, so Shiv, right? We're arguing from high to low. We're getting a retrace. We hit that 382 and we're rejecting. We're gonna adjust shifts once we get to the 1 hour. There's really not a lot going on here because there's no information on the MACD or the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart, man. I think Soka's lurking. Again, this is from the 1 hour, right? Again, we hit that 382, making a valid retrace, and now we're rejecting, but it looks like we're still within that 236, right? And still above it. So we're going to confirm in a second. Low to high, low to high, low to high. There's nothing bearish. We're just struggling to get higher. Breaking that 20 neutral at 51.25. So remember, when we don't have something on one time scale, we can always go to this next time scale and try to find something, right? So I think Ethereum 3,285, that would be very nice for Ethereum. Again, look at this here, right? Rejection. We did have this divergence. I told you guys we might reject. We did reject and go down lower. That is fine. I'm just going to adjust this here and make it larger. There we go, man. And should cover us at least for the short term. And I'll extend them a little bit more so you can cover us for the next couple days here. All right. Somewhere around there. There we go. Right on. So hitting that rejection at that 382, moving back down, holding support at 236. Trying to bounce, right? So low to high and negative, more negative, I think. Yeah, definitely, right? So hidden bullish divergence there. It's there, man. It was always there, man. It never left us. Again, bullish divergence, action to the outside, popping a little bit high to low, high to low, and high to low. There's nothing bearish, right? We're just getting that consolidation happening right now. Looks like a triangle consolidation again in the short term, right? We could always go from here and say, yo, look at this. We're making a triangle. Like that, and then like this, right, for now. Symmetrical triangle, can break either way, 50-50. Again, I'm not going to leave that there. You're just going to keep on doing this. For resistance to that, yeah. I demand, no, you demand. Jack Proc, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Doesn't matter. Much love. Thank you, man. You're lurking, cooking dinner. Good luck. What are you cooking, bro? Let me know. I'm curious. Let's go to one. There we go, one. $500 gigabytes. All right. Oh, that's awesome, dude. You found like old pictures. It's nice. All right, so one, it had the hidden divergence. We're pumping on that, getting above that 20, which is fine. Getting above that 236. Headed for a 382, but we're failing, right? Sorry, 236, where we're failing. The 382 we got above. Getting for a 236 and we're failing. So high to low, and high to low. Neutral at 55.27. Not a lot here on the daily. For our chart, last thing we had was a strong bullish divergence. Very nice pop. Again, nothing bearish here. And then on this last move that we haven't looked at once since, he created that bearish divergence, right? That strong bearish divergence that is seeing that small action to downside, right? That we're getting here. There we go. Right on, dude. So again, moving down, hitting that 382. And we're trying to bounce. So nice. It's doing okay. Nothing crazy. Yes, I do look collectibles. I haven't looked at economy and the VV app, dude. To be honest, no. I think I'm gonna start collecting once they start coming out with other stuff. Like, and there's a de facto platform to go for stuff. It's just there's so many stuff out there for let me finish one, and then I'll tell you what I think about NFTs, right? NFT platforms. It's too early. It's too early, and you might be back in the wrong platform. And I'll tell you why in a second. Not that economy is the wrong platform or VV app is the wrong platform. I'll tell you why in a second. Just let me finish this one, right? Low to high, negative, less negative, and a low. I think we might be going lower, barely. Yes, so we had some hidden bullish here. Hidden bullish divergence. Here we go. Again, that's fine. We're neutral at 56.26. That hidden bullish divergence action just sideways and maybe upside, and it looks like we want to climb a little bit. That's fine. We are above that 20 moving average. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. All right, so the 1 hour chart, I'm just going to focus on what's happening now. We have some strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. That is fine. And from here to here. Unlike collectibles, I even have real life comic books, not one, more than one, signed by Stan Lee. I have comic books signed by Scott Campbell. I have comic books signed by, Ramos. I have a lot of comic books signed. I collect stuff, but, lower again. Bullish divergence, action to the upside, start a pump. High to low, and high to low. Again, nothing bearish right now. Just bullish divergence, strong. It's not hitting a strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside. It's starting to get us to climb, and we just don't have anything yet to make it stop. So again, we were bought at 60.08. That's it for one. Again, still potential for action to the upside. There's nothing bearish for it right now. All right. Yes, we do have Seamus McHoddle. Those market trading cards. I'm not even sure how much they're worth right now, but they are there. I don't think anyone's bought them yet. Yeah, we still have all of them there. So this is what from the birthday stream. They're freaking awesome, dude. Chainlink McHoddle is her mascot, and it is there, man. It is really, really cool. It is ridiculous how much stuff gets sold on NFTs. That is fine. The thing I have right now is that there's so many platforms out there. There's no regulation on the NFT market. Nothing stops anyone from nothing stops anyone from minting on one side and go mint in another one, right? It's not there, right? So until there's some mechanism that prevents you from minting on different tokens, on different platforms, it's just a Wild West, right? You can mint something on one place, say it's one of one, sell it extremely expensive, and then go mint it on another network, and say it's super expensive, and then go mint it on another, platform for NFTs. So it's a Wild West. I think right now Wix might have the upper hand because it has, collectibles from the NBA or Top Shots, or Top Shots or whatever they are, and they're also getting, I think, baseball cards, and they might also get football cards later on. So the fact that they're already up that ahead might start to validate that platform a little bit more, right? XLM, if I haven't, redo birthday stream. I will once we get back to it, like having a regular stream of people in here. There's no clear value in NFTs. I mean, the ones from the NBA are fine. They are being done by a legit company. They are being done by someone that makes trading cards, I would say, or collectible cards. I believe there would be power or more power in an NFT if it came attached to a physical good. That's gonna be the key, man. All right, Batman on V. Sure, man, that's awesome. Is it licensed by DC though, or Warner or someone? So that's one thing, right? If it came attached to a good, that'll be amazing, right? Well, you're gonna start getting why is everyone typing F? Am I dropping? It's weird, man. Yeah, it's awkward, and it dropped all my viewers, man. It dropped I dropped to 19 viewers. That's weird. I was like at 40. It's just weird what they're doing. I'm not sure why this is happening. What? I'm not sure what happened with the stream, dude. It's just like as I'm live. That's so weird. I think I was pressing keys by accident. I said a nutty word? No, I doubt it. I'm gonna get now. Thanks. It was a copyright. Yeah, whatever. So there's gonna have to be a system in place, and like I was saying, I think the good use case for NFTs is gonna be transfer mechanism, right? Transfer mechanism of a property, let's say, or of a physical good. That once you acquire that good and you're gonna sell it, you have to have that NFT to show that you're the legit owner. That's gonna stop a lot of theft and a lot of fakes out there, right? Like let's say right now you want to buy. I'm not sure, a Michael Jordan rookie card. You might be faced with a fake card, and there's no way to know unless some expert analyzes it, right? This would get rid of that. You have your NFT, you have your Michael Jordan card, you want to sell, you gotta transfer it with that NFT, right? So it does tie it in some way. Yeah, people could still, try to scam someone, but that will not be the case because having the NFT does provide that you have ownership, and you can still probably legally go and pursue that person, right? So NFTs are a powerful thing, I think. Yeah, patents. Yeah, patents could also be in NFTs, right? Whoever's a patent holder might get, because with NFTs you get royalties. So if you get the NFT, you might be getting those royalties, and that would be really good, man. It's weird that I dropped, dude, for from 41 to 13. This is insane because my internet was fine. Haven't dropped any frames. I'm not sure what's going on with my channel. It's just been all weird since I came back. Even my videos are not monetizing. It's just weird what's happening. It's just insane. It's awkward. It's like they gave it back to me, but they haven't really gotten it back to me 100%. It's really, really weird, man. I really wish this would be fixed. Here's about 58.96. That is it for this again. It's weird. It's cutting me off every few words. That is weird because look here, I'm not dropping any frames, right? I can see here it tells me sorry, that moved weird. 0 drop frames, right? So I know I'm good. I'm not sure why I'm dropping here, and I'm looking at myself here on the PC live, and it's not dropping. Even here it says excellent connection, right? Excellent connection. It's just weird what's happening. Anyways, let's go to Cuddy. I think I gotta start moving through the coins. We still have a couple of coins to go through. Let's check it. Thanks for letting me know, guys, that I'm not dropping. Again, bearish divergence, action downside, moving down on that, heading for a 236. We didn't quite get there on the 20, but we're trying to hold support right now. We're bouncing. We might see on the 1 hour. Neutral 54.50. Let's go somewhere else, man. Satter, what is up, dude? Ping my subscribers somehow. I can't, Arting Yuck. You have to hit that bell again and hit it again. You have to unhit the bell and then hit it again because someone somehow is not notifying everyone. It's weird. Elon Musk flirting. What is up? Oh yeah, we gave away birthday cake NFTs on the birthday. That was awesome also. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Dude, we had that hidden divergence pumping up on that again. Still trying to hold on breaking this, line here, which is from the double bottom that we had. It just hasn't triggered. Neutral at 50.63. I'm not seeing anything bearish. I'm not really seeing anything happening with Cody yet. Let's go here. We had that hidden bullish. We pumped on that. Failed to get higher than the previous high. And again, nothing bearish. We just dropped. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Still, this was with Bitcoin and company. Now we're trying to recover. Again, nothing bullish, right? So the recovery is not strong. And we also don't have anything bearish. High to low, positive, less positive momentum, and high to low on the other side. Again, not really seeing anything here. Neutral 58.37. Again, it's not crazy, dude. It's just not there, man. Cody's like bland. Kudam is going up. Interesting. Let's go to Ethereum. I also thought Ethereum was gonna like reject 3K, man. To be honest, I wasn't expecting it to go above it so much, and right now we can see that it did just do an all-time high at 3,050. Very, very nice level to hit. Again, let's go for 3,100. I'm probably gonna start feeling a little bit more comfortable with Ethereum. Let's go to S-Key. Yeah. So here I don't have a lot of data to start charting. It's going high, more positive momentum is fine. Neutral, bought at 64.72. So I think the only thing we can do here is fib from high to low and get an idea. We're hitting that 786 and rejecting. We might adjust fibs as we go into shorter time scales. That'll be a good number for Ethereum, right? 3,333.33. I think Ethereum needs to get to 4,200. That'll be a quirky number to be at, right? Low to high, high to low, and high to low. Again, some bearish divergence here for Smart Key on the 4-hour chart, and with that we can see that we're gonna get action to the downside. We have dropped already, right? Again, we're like not seeing what's gonna happen yet because we're like getting a picture of the past, which is why we're moving down. And this is what answers that question, that quintessential question as to why we're going down. Those bearish divergences strong. We did move down, hit that 20, try to find support. Are we doing some kind of bullish divergence, right? That's the next question. Low to high. So negative to less negative. Low to high on the RSI. Low to high. There's nothing hidden, like not even hidden bullish. Failed to get above that 786 again. And it looks like we want to consolidate here. And right now, again, it's too early for this pattern. But again, we could start doing a triangle pattern here. Not going to be the prettiest by any means, but something like this. Symmetrical triangle, potential break. Either way, again, indecision, right? Gotta wait for this to develop a little bit more. The 1 hour might be a little bit better to look at. Neutral 7.99. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. May the bulls run free in May. I hope so, man. We up to 1.5 million pesos? Not yet. I'm not sure, bro. I haven't looked. $1.1. Was 2,200 a week ago? Yeah. Low, lower, negative, more, negative, low, lower. I mean, here we're coming up higher. We do have this island here that we hit. Might ignore it. It's very tiny. It's almost non-existent. Gonna anchor this here on the 1 hour chart. From here to here. And from here as well. Again, trying to find some other pattern being built here. Not seeing it. And what I'm looking at here is this move here. And this one here, it's just having a lot of bearishness. Like, I'm not seeing anything bullish here. All I'm finding is just now strong bearish divergence. Or, sorry, hidden bearish divergence. Moving down, hitting that 20, bouncing. And guess what happened on that bounce, right? We're going higher here. And we're coming lower here. And we're creating a, strong bearish divergence now. It's just like nothing bullish here to like say, yo, we're going to go up with strength. No, it's just like, bearish divergence upon bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. The only thing I can find, and it's like hunting for stuff, it's just hidden bullish. That's it. I mean, there's nothing else after that, right? It could be the reason that we bounced, which is fine, but again, I'm not really finding a lot, and we're just consolidating, right? Look at the motion. If we ignore this part here and this part here, most of the moves would be contained between that 786 here at 41.02 cents and that's 618 at 37.06. Right now, sitting at 39.46. It's just moving sideways more or less, right? Anyways, who else here? Asia Caster, thank you very much for being here. Am I back? Yes, I'm back. I was going from YouTube. I did. That's what happened. Precisely what you typed, that's what happened. No, you're good at searching. It's just that what happened. The channel was gone. Yeah, well, gamers, yeah, it could be right. I mean, there are opportunities for arbitrage. It happens a lot in crypto, particularly when the bots don't coordinate. It could be right. It could be that. I'm just worried that we haven't seen our favorite buddy here, High Card Jesus, who's going to come in and tell us that, Ethereum is going to crash. Let's go to ADA. Link to Discord is pinned on the top of the chat, by the way, so you can join us there. And I'm also going to send them right now, so you don't have to go look at the top of the chat. If you're on Twitch, you might get an ad. I'm sorry about that. Enjoy the KuCoin fee. Yeah. Right, let's keep rolling here. ADA. Where the ADA at, man? Where the ADA at? Hitting bullish, pumping, great. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Neutral at 56.64. That is nothing here in ADA, man. It's just felt to break above 140, man. Again, sideways motion. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence, action and downside. We did move down a bit. Sideways motion. Again, nothing here. Low to high, negative, less negative. Low to high, nothing bullish. Nothing bearish. Neutral at 54.57, man. Am I going to have to hunt for stuff here? Hidden bullish? I mean, and just hunting really for something? It's within the same island? It just feels like bland for ADA, man. It just feels like it should pop. It should pop. We have it against the MACD and the RSI. I guess we could. I'm going to go with this narrative, dude. It is. Hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the upside, maybe sideways motion. We did pop and sideways. That's it. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. He blocked. Yeah. I didn't have Hunson Hotbit. We did go lower here, and we did still go lower here. Even to there, we went lower, and to there, right? So strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside on Cardano, pumping up on that. Great. High to low, low to high. Hidden bearish divergence. Moving down to a 20, we hit it, and then some, right? We went slightly below a 20 before we actually pump again. And again, still this strong bullish divergence is what could be getting us to pump, right? Strong bullish divergence usually trumps hidden bearish. We no longer have it here, right? Because we're going higher, so we kind of lose it. But we create strong bearish divergence against the MACD, and that means that we might try to go down, maybe again to that 20. We just have it against the MACD, not against the RSI. Neutral at 55.84. That's it for 8. Again, it's not really doing anything super interesting, dude. It's just moving sideways. Jim Watkins fan, thank you for being here, man. What do I think Ethereum will be by 2025? Well, that's the best question ever, man. Ethereum at 2025 would be around 20,250 maybe. I'm kidding. That'll be an awesome prize though, right? Did they say they're safe or did they say they're SAFU? Hotboxing, let me know. Let's see what happens, man. I mean, there's a lot of information out there for ADA. Yeah, you shouldn't say how much money you have on exchanges. Let's go to Super. Someone requested Super, so I think it was Boomer. Finally, Super arrived. It's super late to Super. To the dollar. Let's do it. Again, guys, if you haven't done it, hit that like, that button, that sub. It's key for the algorithm to understand that you want this channel back. And if you start liking it, the algorithm is going to say, yo, these people like this channel. Let's give them more. Hopefully. That's what I'm hoping. Right on. High to low. Low to high. The bearish divergence is there. It's going to be hidden, though. So it might just get us to stagnate a bit. And the hidden divergence, like I said, right? It could pop a little bit more, we'll lose it, and that's there. I mean, hidden divergence is not really strong, right? It's just there. It could play, could not play. It's just whatever. Strong bearish divergence, on the other hand, particularly when we get, action here showing that we want a trend shift, that's when it goes really there, right? And then where we gonna find out what's gonna happen. But right now it's just hidden. It might still go up. Making from high to low, we're retracing, hitting that 50%, getting above it. It's all good. Let's go to the 4 hour. It's going higher and it's coming lower, and that creates a strong bearish divergence, right? So again, we had hidden divergence, now we have strong divergence. It's there, man. I've seen it. I'd drawn it. I knew it was there. But Mama said bearish divergence is something because they got all them teeth but no toothbrush. There we go, dude. Bearish divergence strong. Potential fraction downside. Nothing bullish right now. Hidden bullish divergence. Yeah, correct. I stand corrected. There's hidden bullish divergence at a support, the 20 moving average. That's it. That's all it did. Now popped, and we still have strong bearish divergence. Bought at 69.85. We get rid of this divergence. It's going to take a strong pump, and I'm ignoring this island, by the way. It's going to take a strong pop, and against the RSI, might pop a little bit more. Who got a Thea? Hey, Martin, just tuned in tonight. Just curious about your opinion on Bitcoin. Should I think it's going to keep on going up, or will it dip a little? See a few YouTubers saying it's going to dump. Dude, I think Bitcoin already dumped. I don't think it's going to dump again. I think we might try to recover and close that CME gap, which it's overdue now. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I'll explain to you why in a second also. The 1 hour chart, let's see this, right? High to low, high to low, and high to low. Low to high, more possible and higher. All right, so I'm here. Very short-term bearish divergence. Short potential action to downside. Again, really bullish. We can even, can we do this, man? No, we can't. I was going to try through rising valleys, but it's not going to work because this one is lower. It could be the beginning of 3 rising valleys, right? Like 1 valley, 2 valleys, right? Should we get a 3rd valley, and then we could pop for a very nice action to the upside, right? So we would be on our 2nd valley right now, ascend. We need for it to climb and then break back down. Right now, $2.92. Again, bearish divergence, strong potential fraction to downside. Not really seeing anything bullish here right now. That's it for Super, man. Again, it's not looking bad, right? It's not looking bad. I'll also go back to Bitcoin real quick. Not sure grades Zeus. We haven't looked that ample. So the corn. Watch this in the daily though, right? What happens every time we get a monthly closing on, the CME or contracts about to expire? We get that moving down, we get that moving up, we get that moving down, we get that moving up. Right, then we get that moving down again, right? So about every month or so, we get those movement downs on expiry, contracts expiry, right? And every time we go higher. So right now, contracts already expired, man. We're looking for the movement up. So we are going to start on this ascent, right? Might try to pump, man. I'm not saying Bitcoin up to all-time high right now, but I do believe Bitcoin is going to close the CME gap, or it's going to try to close that CME gap, and that gap closes at 62,035 on the CME. We'll see, right? Pilgrim, hey man, what's up? What do you think of Flex Network and AMP Rosie? I'm not sure. I haven't looked at any of those projects tonight, man. Thank you for asking, Pilgrim. hard, like, and I don't know this project, so it's hard to give you an opinion on something I haven't checked. Next up, band. I mean, I wish I could give you more information on that. It's just, I don't even know what, Flex Network is. I haven't looked at it. I never analyzed it. At least I don't think I've analyzed it. I might have. It's just not in my mind because it's not something I trade consistently. So I don't know, man, right? Bakery swap. Dude, have we done bakery? I've done bake. Not sure if it's the same as bakery, but I've done bake. MK Plug, what is up, dude? I like your Goku rose on your picture. That's cool. Oh, Ample? I looked at Ample before. I just, don't have it in my mind right now. I can see it here on the list, by the way. Anyways, hidden bullish pumping, he getting up to 100% high, rejecting, still holding support at 786. Again, nothing bearish, neutral, F at 6.12. Let's go to the 4-hour chart for band. Again, bearish divergence yesterday. We did move down with that to that support at that 786. We're trying to climb again. Very nice. High to low, and high to low. Nothing bullish. Neutral at 58.81. Let's go to the freaking 1-hour chart. We're looking for that bullish divergence hidden. We did drop. We did still manage to keep to this hidden bullish divergence. And we also managed to create it against the RSI, which we didn't have it yesterday when we looked at this. So again, hidden bullish divergence. Action to the upside. Popping. Great. High to low, and high to low. Nothing here. Again, here, high. It's good. Right now, we don't have anything. So this hidden divergence, all it could do is get us to try to go higher than the previous high. But if we fail, we're going to start getting consolidation here because we know whatever bearish forces are here at play are going to get us to consolidate around this level. Right now, it's just looking like a very large triangle of sorts. Right? Even if this was a triangle like that, we're just breaking out. So again, I'm not really sure about band right now. Hidden bullish divergence. We might be trying to get more action to the upside. I would be waiting for a break above 18.71. Right now, sitting at 18.18. It's not really far, but it's there. Ooh, our CIVT finally broke out. I'm not sure, man. We haven't done VT today. No one's requested it. It's bake. All right. I mean, yeah. See, like a lot of these ones, I just don't. I don't follow them that closely. So let's do Ample real quick. I'm not gonna do it in depth, right? Because it wasn't a proper request, and I'm starting to get tired. Like we've gone through a lot of coins already. So let's go on the daily real quick. See what we had. Dude, we haven't looked at this since it had that bearish divergence. It broke down. Jesus. All right. And that head and shoulders that broke is down. We haven't looked at this in a while. At least I don't think we've looked at this in a while. Higher, higher, and higher, dude. Low to high, negative, more negative. All right. Some hidden bullish divergence. That's gonna get stagnation, and we're starting to see this triangle formation here, right? Happening. Let's go on the daily. Sorry, on the 4-hour. See that triangle? How it looks clearer, or more clearly here. That's fine. High to low, and high to low. High to low, and high to low. It's nothing bullish, nothing bearish in the short term. It's just consolidating into a large triangle. That is fine. Nothing really bad with that. It's just consolidation. Short term. Low, high, negative. What is this here, man? 742, 743. Slightly more negative. All right, I'll just go sideways here. Let's see what we had on the top. I can't remember if it was going higher or not. Yeah, slightly higher. So we don't have any kind of bullish divergence. Unfortunately, like there's nothing happening for this short term, right? Low to high to low, and high to low. Bearish divergence strong. Action to downside. But now high to low, low to high, right? Hidden bearish, pushing us back down. We're still trying to hold on support at that 20. But again, since there was no proper request, I'm not going to be drawing it or going too much into detail. That's it real quick for Ample. I mean, it doesn't have anything bullish right now. It needs to create something bullish to pop. And like I said, it's getting consolidation in the major scales. So when we pop, it might be strong. Bake, let's see it real quick, man. Let's go to daily. Bake is pumping like crazy, dude. We didn't have a lot of data drop when we were doing this on the daily. So we just fibbed it. And it's heading for that 4618 at 8.95. Again, nothing bearish, right? Higher, even more positive momentum, higher on the RSI. We're bought at 82.20. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Alex HDs, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Hello, Bitcoin. I know. Hello, Bitcoin, dude. I'm fine, dude. How you doing? Trying to catch a pass as a tiger? That is awesome. Oh, Oh, they almost fell into the glass. Anyways, let's see what's happening here. Low to high, high to low, and high to low, right? There's bearish divergence here again, right? Strong bearish divergence. Potential for action to downside. It's starting to move down. Probably part of the reason why we haven't gotten to that 4618. Again, there was no proper request for bake, so I'm not going to draw the lines, right? Low to high, negative, more negative. Again, hidden bullish divergence, pumping in that. If you need proper requests, just go at the state of crypto and then the coin, and then I'll do it properly. But just ask for a coin there, what I think about it. Right now, there's bearish divergence, possibility for action to downside. Here on the 1 hour chart again, coming up higher, right? Look, low to high, high to low, or possibly less positive, high to low on the RSI. Even from back here, low to high, high to low. So there's bearish divergence. And with that, we're getting action downside. We've gone down, hit that 20, try to pop, getting slightly higher than the previous high. But look, higher high, positive to negative, and high to low still. So again, more bearish divergence. Moving us down, we're breaking below that 230, sorry, that 20 moving average. And we're hitting for that 786 right now. It seems like we're rejecting lower prices, which could be coming with, Bitcoin trying to go bullish still. But, we'll see what happens with this again, right? It pumped because they introduced NFTs. That's awesome. It's still doing good though, right? There's nothing wrong with it. Could have bought this at $1.25 and have $7.06 right now. Very nice. Let's go back to the corn at 57. Oh, it's pulling back a bit. Not a lot though, right? But a bit on this new 1 hour candle. Does that mean Ethereum's also moving down? Nope. Ethereum's still holding strong. Look at that. New candle, still pushing strong. Closing in 2 minutes, man. A minute and a half. We'll see, right? Oh, snap. You put a Java command and you get banned. Oh, that sucks. Sorry about that. I'm not sure what the bot does. It does its own thing, man. Are we shaking the divergence, though? That is a question. Very close to getting rid of this divergence. Even from back here, right? High to low. We'll be getting rid of this divergence very quick here in Ethereum, and that's going to be good. It's just going to make it go bullish everywhere, man. Yeah, Jack. I mean, just go out the state of crypto, new cipher, and I'll do it properly, man. Otherwise, I would just do it like I did the other ones, right? Without lines. And just talk about it briefly. What is this? New cipher? So new. Where is new, dude? We haven't done new in a while. New $2 at 51.6 cents. You can help me making thumbnails for the YouTube videos? Oh, that'll be awesome, dude. I suck at making thumbnails. Yeah, you sent me a message the other day on the Discord. I did reply to you, man. I just, I didn't hear back from you, so. It's awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that. Really appreciate it. Right on. Let's talk about that, man. Let's see what's going on here. New cipher, man. We haven't done this in a while. Low, lower low, negative, less negative, right? Again, bullish divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI. So we popped, hit that 50% retrace. Rejecting, still above the 20. Do we have anything bearish here? Low to high, high to low, high to low. So yeah, there is... against the MACD, some hidden bearish, and that's what's putting that pressure there and stopping us from going higher. So go to the 4 hour chart here. Again, bullish divergence here, right? Immediately and extremely obvious even from here to here and from here to here. So again, bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, anchoring from different places, but still strong bullish divergence. Moving up, low to high, low to high, and low to high. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Low to high. Are we having something here? What is this? 00615. 0060. All right, so it's still slightly less. All right, so less negative momentum, higher, neutral at 53.53. Not seeing anything here. We're just getting consolidation in the 4 hour, right? That's what it's looking like here. We're below the 20 moving average, trying to move above on this new candle, which reminds me I should go back to Ethereum and see where we're at, man. The Ethereum is a beast. For now, it's a beast, right? When it goes bad, it's gonna be like the equivalent of, like, you know, sticky cheese or something like that. But right now, it's doing really good. Hydra on KuCoin. Dude, Steve, what's up? I haven't seen you in a while. Like, I'm not sure if you were here or not. I think you might have said hi at the beginning, and then I'm not sure. I think you might have lurked. Again, new cipher here. Again, high, lower high, positive momentum, more positive momentum, right? So high to low, low to high, and low to high slightly, but it's almost there, right? So again, there is that hidden bearish divergence. That's going to put some strain here on the price. Low, lower low, negative, less negative, right? Strong bullish divergence. That strong bullish divergence that we have here might trump this hidden bearish, right? So again, we just have it against the MACD, not against the RSI. He's lurking. By the way, we did ADA, man. I know you're an ADA lover, so we did ADA, man. Ethereum was junk in February. Now it's a Hulk. Oh, dude, no, I disagree. I actually got awesome Ethereum donations on February, and I'm glad I got them because they're worth so much more right now. Let's go back to Ethereum. Where did it close? Where's it at? Is it still going higher? It's 10 all-time highs again. Great. Let's actually anchor this. Ethereum's doing awesome, dude. 30,059. Sorry, 30,000. 3,059.15. So I'm really happy, man. And right now, it's actually there, 49.49, right? So it's still making a new all-time high right now, and it's great. Ethereum is a freaking machine, dude. I'm super happy. I couldn't be happier. Something like that, man. Let's reload this, man. It's gonna reload now. Ethereum about to make a lot of us rise? Well, that's so nice of Ethereum. I really wish Ethereum made me rise. It would be awesome if Ethereum made me rise. Rice for everyone. I like rice. Yeah, we all like rice. That's so cool with Ethereum. MK plug. You meant rich. It's gonna make us rich rice, like enriched. That'll be awesome, dude. I like rice. Everyone likes rice. It's good. It's a win-win. Just for that. You can buy all the rice you want after that. That's fine. Let's see who can buy more rice. Yeah, forget about buying rice. You're gonna be able to buy rice patties all over the place, man. Ethereum all-time highs. Great, let's hype it. Carbs for everyone. I know I can't eat carbs right now. Rich is about to make us a lot of rice. Yeah. You know, Rich comes here sometimes to chat, right? So maybe he's gonna make us rice. Who knows? It's awesome. We've been live for 2 hours and 5 minutes. Yesterday we were live for longer, but we just done a lot more coins today. No, I lied. We've done about the same. Someone said Ethereum to Bitcoin. Yeah, we did drop a lot of people when, you know, the stream froze and crashed like half an hour ago. Yeah. I wouldn't mind that, because that could still be bullish, man. Someone said Ethereum to Ethereum Bitcoin. I think I have an Ethereum Bitcoin pair here. Let's get on the daily, see what happened. Then that was a proper request, by the way. So I was looking for a cup and handle. We didn't never get that handle, right? Look, we had the cup part. Just waiting for that move down. We didn't get it, right? Even the MACD looks like a perfect. Sorry, not the MACD. The 20 moving average looks like a perfect curve here. It's so beautiful, man. It's so nice. Exchange your Bitcoins for Ethereum? Oh, dude, no, not sure, man. I mean, you should have done it a while back, not right now. Right now, you might be catching the top. I said might, right? I mean, I would probably not change my Bitcoin for Ethereum. I'll probably acquire Ethereum separately. I think Bitcoin's, it's good. Ivan, thank you for being here. No one's requested it properly, right? If you go add this to the crypto asset, I'll check it out. All right, so instead of crypto and then whatever asset you need me to look at. If you just put it there, you know, for me, it could be part of someone else's conversation. That's how I determine. I mean, the fact that we request, the fact that we request for you guys to, like, you know, put the requests in certain ways, not just because we want to be, like, you know, like dickish, I guess we could say. It's because then when I go through the chat, I really know what's chatter between maybe two guys that are talking to each other and what is an actual request that someone needs me to check it out. All right, yeah, just because you put please, but still, you know. There we go, it's cute. Right on, let's put it on the list. See how the name's highlighted? Well, for me, it's highlighted when it comes out. You wouldn't see it, but when you tag me, right, like this, right, it lets me know that you require my attention on the chat, right? So when I see this happening, I know you need me to look at something. That's why it's important that you tag it, and then you let me know the asset that you want me to look at. That way, I know how to. When I scroll through the chat, even if I had to go a lot of chat, look here, I can see that there's something. It's nothing important. Here I can see there's something. Someone was telling me something. You know, so it's for me, it's easier to go through the chat and pick up on when someone needs my attention or when someone needs an issue or a question that I need to address, right? So that's why we go with that. That's all good, man. No worries about it. Yeah, that's fine. I'll do it. Yeah, we already queued it. Erdex queued it. I queued it. Can't believe I have 3.4. I know, dude. I know. I should be in the thousands. It sucks. Anyways, let me finish this Bitcoin to Ethereum and I'll jump onto that XLM, right? Again, Ethereum to Bitcoin is starting to create bearish divergence. Against the MACD and the RSI. By the way, let's anchor this one in the 4 hour. I forgot to. Oh man, it's weird. I went to one of those rodicios, you know, Brazilian steakhouses. I didn't have breakfast because I knew I was gonna go there to eat. I ate so much meat. I'm still not hungry, dude. Like I ate like a freaking cow, I think. We're bought 68.96 again. There's some bearish divergence for potential action downside, and you know, going down with that. Like that was really good though, because you know, I cannot eat carbs, so all I did was just, you know, flip that thing to green, and then I just started chowing down on, like, you know, whatever they brought that was meat, and that was really freaking good. Yeah, I've been streaming for a long time. Is this if you're in the game for a few months? Dude, I've been in the game I started this channel in the bear market, right? I started the channel in the bear market on August 2019, right after the peak of 2019. And I've been, you know, we started to get a lot of momentum on January, February, and then the channel got taken away. So No, I haven't had Wagyu beef yet. I do want to eat some though. Yeah, I might be underrated. I'm not sure. I don't think the algorithm likes me very much. It's all good. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. See what's going on out there. Again, here in the 1 hour chart also, right? Look, low to high, high to low. And then here in this last bit, going higher, right? Also coming lower and lower. So we are creating a lot of bearish divergence. This to me starts to spark warning signs that we might go down a bit against the corn. That could come with, Bitcoin moving up. Like I said, it might. And then Ethereum getting some pullback from the 3,000s, right? Maybe to 3,000, 2,900. We'll see where we pull back to. We don't have it here against, I'm going to have to zoom in here, but I don't think we have it against the RSI here. 72.53, 72.54, still slightly higher. We could even say it's sideways. And if we say it's sideways, which I'm just going to go with sideways here, it's just 0.01, right? So we're just going to go sideways here. That would give us weak bearish divergence against the RSI, but strong bearish divergence against the MACD. And on this last move, still trying to come higher. But if we look here, we're still going high to low. Although this is starting to build, and it can go and build, and we can negate it. Right now we have it, and we just got to acknowledge it for what it is, and it's some strong bearish divergence. Might bring some action to downside. Again, if you guys want to join us on Discord, that'll be amazing. That's where you can know where we're going to be, right? Join us on Discord. We have a good community there, man. It's awesome. Again, bought at 63.34. We're bought. We have bearish divergence. There's a possibility it might go down, right? Let's go to XLM. I'm interested in XLM. I have very few XLMs, but let's go check it. XLM at 56.63 cents. Some rejection happening there for Fib. Let's see. We're rejecting our previous high that we have, our low, right? We went high to low at some point. We did drop lower. We really need to adjust this Fib. So I'm going to adjust them, and we'll see where we're getting a bounce to, right? Right now, I'll just go there and say, yo, we're getting a bounce or a rejection of that 618 right now. Apparently, that's where we're at. We're trying to get above that 618, but we have a larger 618 here that we're rejecting, right? So we're getting rejections at 618s. High to low, and high to low. Neutral at 59.07. So not a lot here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had the bearish divergence. This one's from the 1 hour chart, I bet. Yes. Just stuff I forgot to anchor, and it happens. I forget to anchor. I'm human. I just gotta remember when I come in here to do the cleanup. This one also makes no sense where it's at. So this was gonna be from the 1 hour. And this one's also gonna be from the 1 hour, right? That's what matches that move I just got rid of. There we go. So we had that bearish divergence for potential action down. So we did move down briefly, hit that 20 pump. Again, briefly breaking our support line, reclaiming it, and now we're going higher. And the question is, are we having divergence, right? I'm just going to look at the digits after the zeros, right? 00 and then 297. 003, so slightly higher. Also here higher. So no bearish divergence on this last move. That bearish divergence strong. Got us to move, found support at the 20 and pop. Now, we didn't pop with bullish divergence in the 4 hour. That's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Amay, thank you very much, man. I'll catch you tomorrow, bro. Thank you very much for the support. Ivan, thank you very much for the sub and the like. I'm here every night, man. I'm here every night. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. I have 7,000 XLM. Oh, you have a lot more than I have. I got mine for free. I never actually bought into the project. Particularly when they burn half their supply and the price didn't double. It just went like 50% up. That for me was like, oh man, that's not good. I mean, I hold it, right? I hold that small amount that I got, but I never really got into it hardcore. I was trying to find divergence here. We don't have it. Short term though, right? Short term here on the 1 hour. Starting to create some of that strong bearish divergence. Might get us to go down to that 618 though and test support again before bouncing. Or this is the last thing I'm going to look at. No more coins for tonight. No, you have a lot less than I have, Vertex. I think I got like 200 XLMs for free or something. Not sure. I never bought into the project. I'll tell you how much my XLMs are worth, though. Stellar. Yeah, I have like 196 Stellar coins, and they're worth $111. So it's not bad for something free, right? I need to check. What else am I gonna check? I need to check the price of an asset. Oh, it's not here. I was gonna be here. Solo's at 170. All right, so Sologenic was a cool story. I got, I think it was like $10 for free to try an exchange, which is Coinfield, which I don't like. And I'll tell you why I don't like it in a second. And they hooked up people when they were trying out their exchange with money, right? So it's good to sometimes try those exchanges because you get some free dough to play around with and test the exchange. They gave me $10. I bought, like, I couldn't buy anything. Like, it wouldn't allow me to buy anything. Like, I could never take any positions in the market. I was like, dude, how much money do I need to put into this exchange to be able to buy? Now, all of a sudden, one weird day, I was able to buy Solo. And I bought it very cheap. I bought it below $1. I bought it around 30 cents, 20 plus cents. And now my $10 are worth $62. I just can't sell them for some reason. It doesn't let me sell. So I had 6 times my free money that they gave me. I'm not sure what I need to do to sell. They just don't let me sell. So I'm still stuck. Like the way I couldn't buy, now it's I can't sell. So like I don't like Coinfield very much. I gotta say that because I'm glad I didn't put money there. I would be hating to struggle on that exchange, man. I would really hate to struggle on that exchange. So you're hodling. Oh man. I sold while I was dumping, dude. I didn't want to get anything with XRP. I put my money elsewhere, and I did get better returns than if I would have held and still waited on that pump. So I'm glad I got out of XRP. I still got out of profit. Anyways, Coinbase gave it to you for free. Yeah. Oh, I also got some free on Coinbase, but it was very little. Thanks for all I do. Oh, thanks, man. I'm your best kept secret. Don't keep it a secret. Go tell everyone. Scream it to the 4 wins. 5 wins. I'm not sure how many wins there are. So go scream it at the top of your lungs to go watch this set of crypto. You put $15 ruse into XRP before you delist. It's probably doing really good. And that money's probably doing really good. I think it was around 50 cents before I delisted. Now it should be like 3 times your money. You're hoping the Simpsons 589 plays out? Oh, dude, a lot of people put too much stock on the Simpsons. And them being oracles for the future. It's all good though. What are we gonna do, man? I think we're gonna be calling it a stream for tonight. It is 11:20. I do have to work tomorrow. I wouldn't mind being here a little bit longer, but it's been a good stream. Ethereum's doing great. It's awesome the way it's behaving. I'm just gonna go back to it right now. Let's hope it's not tanking. I'm seeing Stellar tanking. Could mean Bitcoin's going down. Might make Ethereum go down. And now it's still strong. It's still holding strong. Look at that. It did move down a bit from its all-time high that it just made by a couple cents, but it's still holding strong, right? Ethereum's holding. It's doing good. You'll gamble 15 for the Simpsons. That's awesome. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, sub, join us in the Discord. I'm not sure if I missed any comments here on Twitch. All of a sudden, my Twitch feed died, sorta. So I think it's, yeah, I'm not sure. I think my Twitch feed kind of died. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, sub, join us in the Discord. Links in the description. No, it's not. It's been at the top, and it's going out right now. You can also join me on Twitter. I will send Twitter out right now for y'all to join me at. And Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice by any means. I think, by the way, before we go, I think I'm going to get rid of this divergence. I think we might have killed it. So I'm just going to check real quick here. Yeah, we're definitely going higher on this 1 hour candle. And I think we might close higher. So I'm going to wait because this candle is below, right, that line. And this new candle is up. So I'm going to wait. But I am going to say that we might get rid of this, right? That being said, guys, remember, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is Instead of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It was a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Sunday night. I really hope you have a beautiful week. Let's catch you tomorrow, Monday, for another edition of Instead of Crypto. Until then.